Keep doing a good job. Grow up to be a future leader and make Africa's pride. Thank you very much. Welcome to another episode. We are right here at the zoo in Abidjan. This is one of the biggest zoos they have here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the different animals they have here. The tiger, the lion, the elephant, zebra. You're still going to see cobra too, right?
Yes.
Okay. So all the different animals will be seen here. So first we're going to get our ticket purchase and we'll go inside, man. Guys, that is the ticket section right here in Abidjan at the zoo. We just got our ticket purchase and the price to enter the zoo here is 1,500 for each person, and we are two. I'm here with my tour guide, Mr. Prince, all the way from Liberia. So if you are looking forward to explore Abidjan, get in touch with Mr. Prince. I'm going to leave his contact in the description below. Okay. So guys, let's start there. Let's start exploring, man. We are here at the snake section. You can see the huge snake right there. You see the snake? This is pattern, right?
Yes, it looks like pattern. Very big.
Wow, guys. Is there a way you can guys, look at this very huge pattern right here. Very, very wow. See this snake? Very massive. Yeah, very huge. Abidjan has done something to me. It's my first time to see a live elephant. Wow, look at that nigger there. So huge, you know. Wow. So let's just hold on a sec, you know. I'm pretty sure we'll come back. Wow. This is what they eat here. They have cabbage there. They have apples. You know, just mix, you know, different stuff right there. This is live elephant, man. Wow. I'm loving it, guys. This is beautiful, man. Yeah, so beautiful, man, guys. Yeah. Hey, guys, how are you all doing? Je comprends anglais?
Yes.
So what are you guys here for?
We are here to watch the wild animal.
This is amazing. Good to see you guys here. So how proud are you guys to be Ivorian? Are you guys proud to be Ivorian?
Yes.
Are you proud to be an Ivorian?
Yes.
Yeah, this is amazing because having the zoo in the middle of the capital city is actually incredible. I'm all the way from Liberia. I came here purposely just to see this one. So this is incredible. Keep doing a good job. Grow up to be a future leader and make Africa's pride. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Yes.
I got Mr. Prince with me. We are right here exploring. This place is so huge. And this place is not just used for tourists, but it's also used for research purpose. Teachers bring students here over the weekend during school days to do research, so has to teach them about science. They teach them about the importance of agricultural preservation. They bring these students here to show them the different kinds of animals. Yes. It's incredible, right?
That's incredible.
Honestly, yeah. So I wish maybe many other countries in Africa can do the same thing. And the most interesting thing about this one, Brother Prince,
yes,
the zoo is right within the city.
The capital city.
This is
Abidjan, the plateau.
This is crazy. And the price is very reasonable. 1,500, right?
1,500 per person.
That is very,
for the little kids, it's 500.
Like the students, right?
Like the students.
Wow. I'm sure they might have some discount for students as well. Yeah. So nice, man. Guys, this is beautiful, man. So just make sure you can leave a comment down below and then give the video a like and just let all know your thought towards the entire vlog. This initiative taken by the Ivorian government. This is beautiful, man. It's a recommendation. Maybe other countries can do it, like Liberia, you know. This is something we're looking forward to. As I was saying, there is so much, you know, to do in Abidjan. Abidjan is actually breathtaking with the level of development I've seen, you know. It's actually amazing. These are wolves, right? Yeah, these are wolves. Wow. No, this is not for this one. This is the dog, right? The dogs are called. Look at them, yeah. Wow. Guys, look at this one. Let me know in the comment section. What is it? This is wolf, right? Are you sure, brother? Yeah, every animal has its own area, very unique and special. You see here, and they have people to look after these animals all of the time. Most of these animals, some of them now, they are sleeping. I think that's a crocodile. That should be crocodile alligator. Let's check the crocodile alligator. Then most of them, they are sleeping now. because it's kind of sunny. Yeah, that's but I think there should be crocodiles. So look at the crocodiles here, guys. I don't know. There should be alligators. Guys, look at these animals here. Is this alligator or crocodile? Look at them. There's some of them are up there. You see like an old dead rock, you know? So this is the wildlife area. Yeah. See these massive tigers right here. Look at them.
Je t'ai dit, il n'est pas dans votre truc là. Ici. Il est venu boire l'eau.
To maintain such a forest in the middle of the city. Look at, right there is the city you are looking at. Then in the middle of the city, they have this huge forest here with all the animals you can think about in the world here. All the animals, they got them right in the zoo right here. Wild birds, any kind of animal you think about, they got them right here. Look at this one. Wow. See all the area like this one is a turtle zone. Look at they have different kinds of turtles. When I say different kinds of turtles, guys. Yeah, look. And the place is extremely huge. Well protected. They got hundreds of people coming 24/7. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, look at the place. This is one area I highly recommend. Please, whenever you visit Abidjan, try to visit this area. You wouldn't regret it. Trust me. There are animals that all my life I've been seeing in book. I have never seen, I have not seen them alive, you know, in real life. I have not seen them. And today I get to see them like elephant, like lion. All these animals. I only see them in book. With the exception of turtles, you know, pig, you know, all these animals just see them in book, you know. But looking at all these animals, Japan see that very huge one, very, very big.
And that big snake.
Yeah, that first snake we saw there. Yeah. Look at the area, guys. Still right here in the zoo. Just doing a tour here. And the place is well laid out. They have different sections. They also have playground for children. You know, they have areas where adults who can also sit to many after you have, like, after you tour, right, you tired, you can get somewhere you can sit, right?
Yes.
Yeah. But that's place for kids. You see there where the kids can play. Yeah. But that is donkey, yeah. Recreational area, then you see there. They have place for refreshment where you can also sit, get some snacks to eat, and continue your tour. And another thing I have noticed, Ivory Coast, their current is very stable. Very, very stable. So you see this place here? This is a playground for children. You see? This is for children right here, you know. Yeah. Because how most of the parents come all their children. Yeah.
All years, so human being.
Ah. And holidays as well, right?
Oh, the holiday, my first time to kind of holiday to get tickets to the car. So that's interest everybody online.
Wow. That's good.
Then that's when you come in there.
So this place has been existing for a long time, right? Many years now, right? Do they have giraffe here? Okay, this is camel, right? Yeah. Yeah, camel, perfect. Yeah. This is the camel, guys. People just keep coming in the whole time. Yeah, this is so amazing, honestly. Yeah, great. Hey, how are you?
Dans ta main ici.